Man, I love playing Yeep Craft. It's so cool. Oh, I wonder who could that be? Oh, hi. Good morning, sir. Can I can I have a blueberry, please? Why do you need a blueberry? Because I want a blueberry. Well, I don't have any blueberries. Give me the blueberries now. I could smell them in here. Give them to me or else you're dead. Really? A tiny bat? Man, those little Timmies are always asking for stuff. I wonder who could that be? Hi. Kid, I told you I don't have any blueberries. Now stop asking me. I'm not here for the blueberries. I'm here for revenge. Look, kid, you have nothing on me. Just leave and ask your parents for some blueberries. I don't even have blueberries, okay? Hiya! What the? Ow! Oh, that's it. Wait, no! Ow! What a day. Oh, come on! I'm getting revenge. Oh, yeah? How? Like this. Ow! Ow! No! Get away from me! I'm done. I'm done with this. If he rings my doorbell one more time, I am about to launch a nuclear missile at his door. You know what? That's it. He's getting the meat. He's getting the meat. That was not very... No, not again, not again. They won't have to do this. Oh my gosh, I hope that doesn't bite my butt again. Oh my gosh! He is William Afton at this point! Or William Afton's son, or... You're under arrest for child abuse.